You're bidding on an Ammco 7000 brake disc rotor machine. Pretty nice unit. All of this is included. If you're buying this for out of the country, we could ship the machine and the tooling separate and throw the workbench away. It's up to you. Here's tooling. This is the original color. This is not a repaint. Nice quiet machine. Cross feed goes in. Oh yeah, put that down there. This pan wasn't hooked to it. The chip catcher's just, if you want it, you can have it. It came with it. No way of mounting it here. It was just on the floor. There's the draw. Speed it up. Turn it in and make it go slow. See it slowing down for a fine cut. 7000 Ammco rotor machine. Comes with the cutter, these bands, and just this tooling here. This is what it is. Good luck bidding.